It's below freezing. 2 married people. Kids are out of the house. What's the only thing that we can do? Gun range day. Going up to shoot point blank. Gonna shoot her 2 new guns. Ruger Mark IV. Her new Smith & Wesson and my old Glock. And we're gonna have a damn good time doing it. See you there. You shoot the right and I'll shoot the upper left.
Hit the ceiling. Hit the ceiling if he goes for a headshot.
Yeah, buddy.
That was low on that.
Yeah. You just had to adjust. That's round 1. Round 1 to me. We're gonna do the ducks. Shoot the ducks. There you go. Flipped his wing. Flipped his wing.
Load up 22 for let him do it.
Well, sub-freezing gun day for America at the range was a fabulous success. I think I beat you.
You get more practice.
I do get more practice, but nonetheless, I think I beat you. But
I think I did pretty well.
You did pretty well. Next time, though, man, not do so well. So, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.